How to lay electric underfloor heating. Firstly, what you'll need to do is to insulate your home. With the use of insulation, and the type to be used will be dependent on your budget and what suits the space best. But this is critical for making the most out of your underfloor heating system. Make sure your walls, loft, floors are completely insulated so that the heat produced by the heated flooring isn't quickly escaping. When you're working with a polished concrete flooring, it's necessary to insulate all areas of the home where heat can dissipate. Some traditional insulation options include rigid foam insulation, foam spray insulation, and aluminium foil backed insulation. Electric underfloor heating systems consist of a thin heating wire that is installed under the floor's surface. The wires will warm up when desired and heat up the floor. This type of system is suitable for any renovation project where there's little disruption. This type of system again is great for those wanting a slower heat up and cool down time, which is handy for rooms which are forever being used.